Hello beautiful friends, welcome to Cassia Naturals. If you're new on my channel, you're so welcome. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make clove oil for thinning hair, bald patches, and to protect your hair from graying, premature graying. So if you're new on my channel, you can click on that red subscribe button and subscribe today. Let's continue praying for Ukraine, Russia, and our world so that God can intervene in the situation. So we are going to use some clove, as you can see. Actually, you can purchase some cloves online, eBay, Amazon, or in some Indian grocery stores or spice shops. You can check out, such shops in your area where you live. So we are going to use 50 grams of our clove flowers. So today, of course, I did a video on clove hairspray. I'll link that video in the description box below, and I also did clove protein conditioner. I'll link it in the description box below. So in today's video, I'm going to grind the fenugreek because I want it to be in a kind of a grainy state so that it can be well infused, because we are making an infusion, clove infused oil. So that is how clove looks like on the close range. So I've gotten a blender and I'm putting my clove and I'm going to blend. After blending, and then I'm going to add my oil in the clove. So that is how it looks like after being blended, and I'm transferring it in a bowl. So that is the state I wanted it to be in so that it can be well infused. So once I'm done, I'm getting, so that's the texture actually, like it's grainy, have you seen? But not powder, because powder is difficult to strain. So I'm getting 300 grams of our grapeseed oil because that's what I have in abundance. You can go for any oil, you can go for coconut oil, any oil that you have. And I'm putting my clove into a beaker, heat-resistant beaker. And then I'm pouring in our oil. So like I mentioned, you can go for any oils that you have available. So this oil actually is good for thinning edges, alopecia, it keeps hair loss, it will nourish, promote hair growth, and it will also keep, premature graying. So I give it a simple mix, and then I'm going to get some warm water and our pot. Of course, we are going to put it on heat. So that is our hot water, and I'm immersing our heat-resistant beaker in the hot water, and then I'm going to put it on fire, and then I'm going to cover it with aluminum foil. This is just my preference. You can leave it the way it is, but I prefer to cover it so that the oil can, that aroma, everything can mix well. Yes. So, your hair is your natural crown, and deserves to be, treated as such. It's an important aspect of overall appearance. So, however, hair can wear out easily, while there is only such much you can do to avoid this kind of damage. So, a consistent hair regimen can go a long way in repairing it. Millions of people spend a significant amount of money on hair products, from shampoo, conditioner, oil to mask, serums, yet achieving healthy and lustrous, look is still a dream for many. So give it a little stir while it's on the heat. So clove is an oil that you can use, actually available with, ingredients available in your kitchen. So you can do this actually without burning a hole in your pocket. So cloves are one of them. So clove contain a variety of useful compounds. That is its main active ingredient, its chemical known as eugenol. So eugenol is credited with potent antimicrobial, antiseptic, and inflammatory properties. Moreover, cloves are rich in number of nutrients for hair growth, including potassium, sodium, omega-3 fatty acids, iron, magnesium, vitamin K, C, iodine, and fiber. They are also full of antioxidants that help protect hair. So, of course, like I'm going to use this wig cap to strain. You can go in with whatever gadget you have, but it worked well without, ga- straining it because it settled. Yes. So clove contains, ingredients which can prevent your hair from oxidation or damage. It promotes growth. So clove oil contains eugenol, which promotes hair growth when applied to the scalp. This compound contains antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties that can be beneficial for your scalp. So eugenol also has certain androgen properties. This it can show down the effects of androgen on the hair follicles, losing hair growth in people suffering from androgenic alopecia. That is actually male pattern baldness. So that's how the residues looks like. So clove adds shine to your hair. Clove is a natural conditioner and help to lock in the moisture in the hair. It can be used as an effective treatment for dull, dry hair. Clove oil reduces split ends and frizz, and using it will make your hair shiny and lustrous. So as you can see, there's still some oil in the paste. Yes, make sure that you get everything. Yes, you don't have to lose on your money. So clove will also, treat dandruff. Dandruff is the mild skin condition, causes flakiness on the scalp. It's an extremely, common condition and is usually accompanied by itching and dryness. There can be many causes for dandruff buildup in the scalp, including dry scalp, fungal infection, excess oil production. Clove contains properties that can get rid of dandruff in a short time. So clove will also prevent premature graying of hair. Clove oil can prevent the condition not to, due to its high eugenol content. So eugenol has antimicrobial antioxidants properties that can protect your hair shafts and follicles from oxidation damage. It also increases, pigment levels that can make hair, retain that natural color. It also keep hair loss. You know, environmental pollutants, poor diet, genetics, hair containing harsh chemicals all contribute to this to hair loss. So clove oil prevents excessive hair loss by strengthening your hair shaft and promoting growth of new hair. So if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, you can click on that red subscribe button and subscribe today to my 189 subscribers. Thank you so much, dear friends, for your love and your support. And to my viewers, I appreciate you guys. So if you're new on my channel, you can click on that red subscribe button and subscribe today. If you want to be seeing more of such videos, then consider subscribing. So on this channel, I upload videos every day. Make sure that you check out for videos every day. So actually, you can comment in the section below if you have ever tried clove oil, or if you have ever done other methods on how to make clove oil. Comment in the section below, dear friends. So like, I love interacting and I'm super excited, for making this oil. So there are so many ways on how you can use this oil. Like I mentioned earlier on, you can actually use it to seal in the moisture. You can even use it on the scalp to prevent, dandruff, bald patches, to treat alopecia, and to protect your hair from early, graying. So like, I'm using actually clove hairspray. You can check that video out, or I'll link it in the description below. So I'm going to seal in that moisture, with clove oil. I'm super, super excited, friends. Yes, so subscribe to our channel for more. Yes, so like, I'll be using clove in my regimen. It's quite a new product in my regimen and I'm loving it. Yes, and one day I'm going to give a review. So like I said, I had made a protein clove deep conditioner, clove hairspray, clove oil, and I'm yet to try to combine clove with other herbs. So thank you so much for watching. God bless you. See you in our next video.